Nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness Davao Crocodile Park proudly present our very own Dagaanyag sa Kinaiyahan.
What a great performance by Tribo Kamindanawan Performing Arts. At syempre, kasama na rin doon ang ating mga cute na cute, mga animal ambassadors na folks. Give it up for Tribo Kamindanawan Performing Arts. Palakpakan po natin sila guys. And by the way guys, mamaya at exactly 5:15 ay may fire dance pa po sila sa Tribo Kamindanawan Bantawan area. 5:15 po yun. Okay? Guys, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating show folks, I need your energy ngayong hapon. Okay, when I say hep hep, you say okay, okay, hep hep. One more, hep hep. More energy, hep hep. Ayun, mabuhay. Pareho po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Poy, and I'm your host for this afternoon po. Now some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we have coordination with the DNR, DOD, and BAI. Now as a way of saying, thank you for being with us in this rock-living afternoon. Rocking the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors so to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una, sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo kung may maupot na tayo dyan guys. And folks, do not attempt to capture your animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, those who are eating, I'm so sorry, can you finish it up or finish it later after the show? And lastly, for those who take photos or videos of animals, folks, bawal po ang camera. Charot lang guys, very on camera. However, just turn off lang po sa flash, okay? Because our animals here are light sensitive. So, double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras. Okay, now the reason why we call them animal ambassadors is because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na po sila sa likod folks. So now, the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes. Okay, buti pa sa left side ko. May atin sa right side. Folks, asan yung energy nyo kanina guys? Okay, one more pa daw. More energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? So energy sa inyo folks. Now guys, let's meet our 3 raptors. Una will giving you his welcoming flight. Now may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At ayan na siya folks. Wow, there you go once again folks. That is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. We decided to make them Halimetus logogaster. Logo meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila ka-straps. Palakpakan po natin sila please. Alright, now, mimimit na natin ang ating second raptor. Atin ang tatawagin si Kali, our eastern grass owl. Ayan na siya guys. Now, Kali boy, ayan, ready ka na? Ayan, next. Yeah. There you go. Okay, once again, folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. Now, folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can be able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when in flight. Di po natin maririnig ang kanyang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. That's all for Kali folks. Again, palapakan po natin guys. Namimita natin ang ating last raptor. Okay na atin na tatawagin. Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Pero guys, medyo may pagkamahihayin kasi sa pagaspas po. So, intindihin lang natin, no? Like I said kanina po, we are still working with wild animals as much as we portray them. We don't want to change their behavior. Now guys, ayan na si Pagaspas. We will show you how they had fun. By the way, Kuya Cyril dito is merong toy lizard na boy Pagaspas. Wait lang natin saglit folks ha. Medyo may pagkamayahan kasi ko siya guys. Okay na boy. Kunti tiis lang muna folks ha. Saglit lang talaga. Okay, ayan na. Ay, hindi ba ako siyempre kikita nyo dami tao. Alright. Okay na boy. Bagas. Ay. Okay na. Ayan na si Bagas po natin guys. Alright, wait lang natin ang saglit folks. Ayan na. Lapit na yan Kuya Cyril. Ayun, nakatitig na siya. And there you go. I know guys. Once they're in flight, they will lock on and dive on their target, talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. The folks Philippine Serpent Eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Alright, now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicide, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine Serpent Eagle, at syempre ang ating Eastern Grass Owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks. Palagpakan po natin sila, syempre. Palagpakan din natin ating mga walking trainers na sina Kuya Gmar, Kuya Dexter, at syempre, Kuya Cyril. Ayan, uwi na sila. Okay now. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Moving on agad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Makulay po ito. At galing pa po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Barak. And there you go. Once again guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaque with Kuya Michael. Now Kuya Michael, kung may pa-freezes daw kunti si Kuya Michael, oh. Okay na, sa mga kiddos natin nasa harap, lapitan natin si Kuya Michael, alright. Okay, ayan na. By the way, limit lang po yan ha. Okay, ayan. Lapitan natin. Ayan, limit lang po yan po. Alright, ayan na. Okay, huwag kayong matakot. Hindi naman po nangangagat si Farah. Don't you worry, don't be scared. But I won't bite you much, just open your hand lang po. By the way, so may hindi mabigyan ng seats, you'll be having your own backyard animal ambassador. And there you go, mukhang okay na. Okay, once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaque with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most parrots guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita nga ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Tadang! Kadang-kadang. Alright, now Barak, suot in march on. That is zygodactyl feet number folks. To the front, to in the back, allowing them to grab items. So marching by left, right, alright, and bump. Good boy. Barak, okay, dahil daw dyan boy. Oh, may high five tayo ka Kuya Michael. Oh, high five kami. Wow. One more, isa pa, high five. Alright, at syempre, napaka-sweet at lambing ito ni Barak, guys. Now, Barak, kiss to Kuya Michael. Gawin sa pisngi, bigyan ng kiss si Kuya Michael sa pisngi. Mwah! At syempre, ito ba? Nabitin ko ba kayo, guys? Okay, ito, Barak. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya Michael. Barak, boy ha? Okay, now, Barak, kiss ulit kay Kuya Michael, pero hindi na sa cheeks, boy. Saan gusto niyo, folks? Ha? Saan gusto niyo? Halaga Kuya Michael. Okay, now, Barak, kiss to Kuya Michael, pero sa lips daw, be. O, Barak, kiss! What? Mwah! Siyempre folks, hindi rin magpapahuli yung host. Kuya Michael, kung kaya mo i-kiss si Barak, siyempre kaya mo rin ako kiss din sa lips kaya. Joke lang folks. Pero guys, at hindi lang yan, si Barak ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Ay, mataas kumain. Nagsesegregate. Alam mo lang, si Sir Rapaw Gather, sino yung nagsesegregate? Iba, naku po ngayong hapon. Tuturuan tayo Barak paano mag-segregate ang kanyang basura. So ano na dyan Kuya Michael? Alright, ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin. Or nabubulok po and also we have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok po. Pakikip mo na sa toys po. Please lang sa bubbles. Asan po yun? Pakikip lang muna. Okay, now. Mukhang, na-check na ba ni Barak Kuya? Okay, now. Barak, are you ready? Kuya Michael, mukhang ready na si Barak. Kuya Michael at the count of 3 lang mga basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, ano muna kukunin ni Barak guys? A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Goodbye! Ang pangalawang kukunin ni Barak, it's another piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawa pong basura, boy. And this time, a piece of leaf. Dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. At one piece of trash, boy. Leaf or dahon, saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palapakan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin, folks. Sana ay tularan natin si Barak, guys. Okay! Alright na, folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya, guys, ng mga maman, sir, mga ates, mga kuyas. Wave bye-bye to Barak na po. Wave bye-bye, everyone, wave bye-bye. Okay, Barak, wave bye-bye na sila sa Barak. Kapita na. Wave bye-bye na rin sa kanila. Barak, wave bye-bye. Aba, nag-bye-bye na daw tayo. Barak, wave bye-bye daw. Oh, wait lang natin, guys, mag-bye-bye daw tayo, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Hala. Hala. Boy, isang bye-bye lang. Isang bye-bye hindi Kuya po. Last week, bye-bye. Hala. Ibig sabihin yan, folks, he wants to stay in the show po. Pero again, guys, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay, once again, folks, that's all for Barak. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, Kuya Michael, ang kanyang boogie trainer. Ayan, uwi na sila. Okay, by the way, guys, blue and gold macaw are the fourth largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now, let's proceed on to our next animal ambassador. Folks, alam nyo ba guys, bagong-bago to sa amin. Okay, ready na ba? Ready na ba dyan sa likod? Okay, atin ang tatawagin. Si Beauty. And there you go. Okay, once again, folks, that is Beauty, our sulfur-crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatuwa galireta. They can be found in Australia and New Guinea. Now guys, sulfur-crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur-crested cockatoo spread their wings and lift their crest as part ng kanyang paliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo. But it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur-crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon po, ipapakita po yan ni Beauty, guys. Alright, now wait lang. Prepare pa muna si Kuya Cyril. Alright, now Beauty, girl. Ayan, wait lang natin saglit. Okay, now Beauty girl, ready ka na? Alright, now girl, pakita natin sa kanila. Oh, spread your wings na, Ben. Whoop. Alright, okay, isa pa, one more. Nasobraan na. Okay, now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, Kakatoos loop in branches as form of exercise and playing around to ease their boredom. No, Kuya Lex, anong gagawin pag nababagot si Beauty? No, girl, anong gagawin natin? There you go. By the way, guys, and that is their natural behavior po sa wild, guys. Huwag ka mahino, relax lang. Okay, now guys, lastly, just like any other parrots, Beauty also have zygodactyl feet po. Just like Barak. Siyempre ganun lang talaga yung mga parrots natin. Okay, now wait lang. Ay, nag-prepare pa si Kuya Cyril. Okay, now girl, ayan na. Okay, now Beauty girl, what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Wait lang. Okay, ayan yun, girl. And there you go, Hila. Ayan, once again, folks, that is zygodactyl feet at work, guys. Two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. So ayan na nga, ayan, may paano na si Beauty sa kanya. Okay, and there you go. At okay na si Beauty ngayong hapon ba, Kuya Dexter? And there you go. Pwede ka na makabalik, girl. And that's all for Beauty, folks. Palapakan po natin sila. Siyempre, ang kanyang body trainer na si Kuya Dexter. Now, let's proceed on to our next animal ambassador. Pure black po ito. Atin ang tatawagin, si George, our Black Pom Cockatoo. And there you go once again, folks. That is George, our Black Pom Cockatoo, or also known as the Gulayan Cockatoo po. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. The folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home are being destroyed. So saan nga ba nakatira ang isang Black Pump Kakadu? So guys, they live in tropical rainforest po. Now folks, this day, George will show us how to help him restore his home by showing us how to plant a tree. So magtatanim si George ngayong hapon ng Kuya Gmar. Bago natin gagawin yan, ready na ba gagawin tayo George yan? Ayan, we have 2 soils. And syempre, we have 2 branches. Alright, now, boy, ready ka na George? Kuya Gmar, labag na natin yung kahoy. And there you go, kuha. Alright, kuha. Ayan, saan natin ilalagay? Yun sa ME. Oh, isa. And there you go. Okay, isa pa. May isa pa, boy. Okay, ayan na, slowly but surely. And there you go. Thank you so much for helping our Mother Earth. Now guys, little fun fact, they use their nest using twigs and small branches. Unlike other kakados that they use their nest using twigs at ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing in paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, syempre bibigyan naman volunteer. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Adult, yung kailangan natin. Adult, wala. Sino gusto nyo Kuya Gmar? Okay, wait lang natin si Sir. Okay, ikaw Sir, dito na po tayo. Sir, dala ka lang ng paper money kahit 20 pesos. Okay lang po yun. Don't you worry. Ibabalik po yan ni George. Huwag ka mag-alala Sir. Okay, ayan na. Hintayin na muna natin si Sir. Okay, kami na po Sir. Okay, dito po tayo. Okay, palakpakan po natin si Sir, folks. Alright, ayan na. Okay, bago tayo mag-proceed now, sir, just follow na po sa instruction ni Kuya Dexter, ha? Then mga kuyas, pag ready na si sir, just thumbs up lang po. Okay, pero simulan na po natin. Alright, okay na. Now, sir, are you ready? Kuya, ready ka na? Mga kuyas, mukhang ready na. George, get the paper money. Ayan, naboy, kuha. And there you go. Alright, balik kay Kuya Gmar. Alright, sir, like I said po kanina, ibabalik po yan ni George. Okay, ano pa rin yung gagawin mo? Okay, now. O, sige, ulit. Alright, now, boy. So, ulit na lang natin, boy. And there you go. Ayan, bigay. Ulit mo, sir. Alright, nahulog. Dagyan po kang okay na. Okay na po yun. Alright, now, wait lang. Sir, you can say back your seat na po. Palapakan po natin si Sir, guys. Okay, now, folks, before we say goodbye to George, sana po, pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan, folks. That's all for George. Wait lang natin. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang natin, makawilan lang ako si George kay Kuya Gmar. Alright na, boy. Balik ka na. Ala, nahihiya ako. Na-shy type na yung hapon. Okay, ayan na. Wait lang natin saglit. Ayan na. Ayan na, Kuya Gmar. Okay, wait lang. Uy, ganyan talaga sila host. Siyempre, papalambing dito sila, guys. Ayan, boy. Wait lang. And there you go. Okay, guys. Again, before we say goodbye to George, sana po, pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan, folks. So that's all for George. Palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, now let's meet us our last kakatoy. So, okay, tatlo kasi ito sila, guys. Puting-puti po ito. Just like a cloud. You may call on. Ito na. Jumbo. And there you go once again, folks. That is Jumbo, our umbrella crescent cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a... Ready na ba kayo, folks? The Kuya Cyril? Ding, 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 ding! Bicycle. Now, Jumbo. Sakay. Body out. So, fun like a boy. Sikat yun pang first place yung pang Ironman, eh? Para lang. Good boy, Jumbo. Next to the kids up there. Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because we also have a scooter. Ayan, kung kaya mag-bike, kaya di mag-scooter guys. Sa Jumbo sa kayo ulit. Padjak naman, dahan-dahan lang ha. Okay na rin dyan sa unahan. Whoops! Para lang. Good boy, Jumbo. You see guys, Even our animals help solve from Mother Nature. You can also help when we reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. And guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of cactus po. One is the sulfur crescent cockatoo, two is the umbrella crescent cockatoo, 3 is the black tongue cactus po, and 4 is the Mulukan cactus po. Okay, now, eto na. Moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. They call them the alarm clock of the rainforest, the Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill na pamihino boy. At yan siya guys, in, there you go. At syempre hindi dyan magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJN. There you go. Once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata guys. Girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay, na ngayong hapon, magpapakitang-kita sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now, at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Dexter, Kuya Jimar. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilisan to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect match! Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in a while, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligo po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana talaga bro, sabuti pa sa ating mga kalaw may forever, no? Gusto mga single ladies out there, ha? Kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, no? So alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Nandito lang ang... Pwede din sa mga trainers, folks. Stay tuned kami. So sige, magpapakita-kita ulit ang ating mga kalaw ng folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilisan to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw. The alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw, folks. A round of applause, please. Now, folks, fun fact pala about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Pero wait lang, wait lang, Gigi. Sige na. Isa ko ulit ito. Gigi, ito yung kukunin yung mic mo. Alright, there you go. Okay, pala pagkapulit natin. Sige, yes. Nagulat ako doon. Okay, now let's proceed to our next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question. Okay, the first question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats. Pusa. Kung sa Bisaya pa, kidding. Okay, now second question. Okay, listen carefully ha. Second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie? Ha? Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng po? Ito ko ba na? Hindi po si Winnie ha? Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Okay, last question. What kind of animal ang kamukha ng katabi mo ngayon? Okay, joke lang folks. But you're correct guys, ang ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat. The body like a bear and very impressive tail, like a monkey. My right attention. To your left side, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. Once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. We designed to take them off our big-face binturong, locally known as binturong guys. Now folks, did you know that their tail can act as a victim? Meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkey, at ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Alright now Teddy, are you ready to down na boy? Ang ganda siya guys. Ayan na. Moving na folks, ayan na. Yeah, there you go. That is prehensile tail in action po. We're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. Ang cute na cute po talaga Teddy. Uy! Alright now folks, may direct attention. To your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Once again folks, that is Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Now guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning ng endemic folks, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita. Particularly sa Palawan. And folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up using his two hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. Okay na Uno? Basic lang yan sa kanya guys. Uno, up. Ay, wait lang natin folks. Ayun na siya guys, and there you go. And that is two highlights in action po. Thank you so much, Uno. Folks, fun pala about Palawan Bearcat. Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan po ang amoy ng kanilang pupo guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. And guys, they are omnivores, so kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon po yung Michael, ang bigay mo kayo ngayon lang kuya. Makita mo sa kanilang kuya. Ano yan folks? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Once again, omnivore sila ha. May tanong ulit ako sa inyo, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or karne? Carnivore. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivores. Okay, galing ha. Okay, ito na the last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Wait, sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? Hindi fruit salad guys ha. Sino nakakalamtas kamay? You know the answer ate? Ha? Come here. Okay, come here. It's out the audience. Tutukan natin sila. Come here ate. Alright, sige na, come here. Alright. Okay, eto na. Ayan. Alright, now ate. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Ayan, palapakan po natin si ate guys. The correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yon?
Frugivore!
Hindi Fugivore ha. Yan po nasa isip nyo eh. Okay, once again, frugivore. Okay, alright now, perfect. Teddy is back home na. Siyempre, Uno as well. Kuya Michael. Okay, no, kuya. Okay, wait lang natin si Uno muna guys ha. Okay, medyo mahintisi talaga to si Uno folks. Okay, now, bago tayo mag-proceed folks, again, thank you so much for choosing Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as one of your tourist destination here in Davao City. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin mga sarili natin folks. Okay, ayan na. Wait lang natin si Uno guys. Na Uno, ayan, ready ka na ba boy? Okay, wait lang natin saglit folks ha. Napag-prepare pa sila sa likod. Okay, eto na. Okay, now let's proceed na to our last animal ambassadors. Ako sa mga inaantok dyan, alam kong inaantok na kayo folks. Again, sa mga inaantok dyan, mawawala talaga yung antok dito guys. Ito yung artistahin sa amin folks, ang itinitilian at ikinakikiligan ng ating maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite at inang-tatawagin na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Palakpakan naman po. Once again, Piolo at wait. Piolo. Daniel. Familiar to sa wait lang, may kamukha to siya guys. Money.
Para sa'yo, ang laban na to.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang kuya, wait. May problema ba, Kuya Cyril?
Kailangan gawas ng tuminggoy.
Okay, kanina ba mga kuya? Okay. Ha? Sige. Folks, guys, ulit ko sabihin sa inyo, once again, we are still working with wild animals. No, as much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi ng ating mga trainers, folks, wala daw po si Piolo at si Daniel sa likuran at nakatakas daw po. Kuya Michael, ikaw, magpapawisan na ulit mga kuya. Ayun talaga. Kung sabi nila guys, nandito lang daw po sa ating harapan, maybe check under your seats na lang daw eh. Tulungan nyo kami hanapin namin mga hayop folks, mapapagalitan po kami. Alam po.
Hoy! Si Cracking!
At sa mga kuya, wait lang natin guys ha. Naku, kinonfirm na nila po sa atin na. There you go. Once again folks, that is our jungle giant na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Why do you guys, you can touch it naman po. You can open it. It's already very naman po yun. So huwag kayong mag-alala. Huwag kayong matakot guys. Sanay na po yan sa inyo. Okay? Sa mga bisita na hindi pa nakapag-experience, humawak ng ahas dyan. It's your time para hawakan ang ating mga ahas dyan, folks. Again, sanay na po yan sa inyo. Okay? Ayan na si Kuya Chimar natin, oh. And guys, be gentle lang po, ha? Folks, makinig, konting paalala lang po. Once again po, konting paalala lang. Pwede nyo pong hawakan ang ating mga ahas. Huwag lang po ang ating mga trainers. Okay, ayan na.
Ba't ka
Ayan po ang ating si Kuya Michael, guys. And folks, again ha, exactly 5:15. And we have guidance po po sa Trigo, Camindanawan, Bantawan area. By the way guys, hindi dito yung far dance ha. Sa Bantawan area po. For directions, just head on po sa exit and follow the sounds of the beating drums ng mga sa labas folks. Okay, ayun na si Kuya Manny. Kuya Michael. Okay, ayun na. Okay, thank you so much mga kuya for finding Piolo at Daniel. Alright! Now guys, before we cut Daniel, this afternoon I need 2 adult guests ulit po. Again, 2 ha? Pero guys, hindi ako yung pipili. Yung mga trainers natin, sumusunod lang ako sa kanila kung sinong pipiliin nila. Okay? Sorry na. Aray. Kuya Ray, ay Kuya Benji, si Ma'am daw na naka-black na ka-class. Katabi niya, oh yes, katabi niya yung may bata na naka-orange. Yes po, ikaw daw po Ma'am. Sige na, come here Ma'am. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am, please. Again, so kung hindi mapilihan guys, you will be having your own time with our animal ambassadors po, ha? Dito na po tayo Ma'am. Alright. Okay, now Kuya. Si Ma'am daw po na naka-black. Yes po, naka-black yung hair. Yes po Ma'am, ikaw daw po Ma'am. Okay, wag ka lang Kuya. Iba na. Okay, come here sir. Alright, sisirin na lang guys. Kuya Michael, ikaw pumausap nito ha. Ito na nga. Okay. Alright, Kuya Michael, terbihin natin. Okay Ma'am, dito tayo. Sir, come here sir. Come here. Alright now guys. Before we pala talaga, syempre kilalanin muna natin ating dalawang bisita. Nahin natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po?
I'm Shari from Lang.
Lang.
Okay, si Ma'am Chari from Lang. How about you, sir? What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Michael and I'm from South Carolina, United States.
Marco from United States. Guys, palakpakan po natin silang dalawa. Okay na guys? Are you ready, sir? Are you ready? Mom, guys, meet our gentle giants, and there you go. Alright, once again, folks, this is our gentle giants, yung ating mga Burmese python with the scientific name of Python pivitatus. They are the third largest vicious snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weighing about nasa 3 to 4 kilograms at Daniel here is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat ito ng konti si Daniel. Kasi unahin natin sa kanilang kuya. Okay, si sir. Sir, who are you with?
My wife and son.
Family, where are you, family? Raise your hand, family. Okay, hello. Ma'am, tayo nga si beautiful photos para sa kanya, please. Don't you, hindi ko yung papapicture. Mapicturean lang natin si Sir po. Okay, picturean lang po natin. Okay, picture lang, picture. Okay, ayan, picturean lang po natin. Ayan, there you go. How about, okay, wait lang natin. Ma'am, okay na. Just thumbs up na po, ha? And we should be good na ata po yung Michael. Okay. No, sir, thank you so much for participating. Alright, now, sir, we can say thank you, Sir. Alright, palakpakan po natin si Sir, guys. Okay, ito naman si Ma'am. Ma'am, dito po tayo sa center po. Center sa arena. Ma'am, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon?
Family po,
Okay, asan kasama ni Ma'am? Taas kamay daw po. Asan? Okay, hello guys. Mabuhay po kayo now, guys. Para kay Ma'am. And there you go. Okay, Ma'am, relax ka lang dyan, mga. Okay, once again po, non-venomous naman po ang ating mga aso. Hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo. At tamang-tama, nandyan po si Piolo, si Daniel sa liig mo, Ma'am. Joke lang po. Okay, Ate, take a lot of beautiful photos for her, please. Pang-mali daw ni Ma'am sa Facebook, pang-Instagram. Ma'am, show your Valentina post. Pwede kang rumampa dyan, Ma'am. Okay, sige, Ma'am. Okay na ba, Kuya Jimar? Kuya Michael, okay na? Kayo talaga. And we should be good na daw po. Ayan na. Ma'am, thank you so much, Ma'am, ha? Alright, sige na po, Ma'am. You can take back your seat na po. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am, guys. Once again, thank you so much to the both of you. Alright, now, folks, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission, and that is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about these lovely animals. The moment you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos or animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why a round of applause for yourselves, please. Guys, pakilala ko rin siya ng mga walking trainers. Once again, Kuya Michael with a snake, Kuya Dexter with a cockatoo, Kuya Simon with a malaw, at syempre magandang tour guide na si Ate T with a tip sa Tulsitas na si Kuya Junel and Kuya Jimar. And once again, folks, my name is Kuya Boy, and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay ang palayaw, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong kanan. Alright, now guys, like I said kanina po, alam sa ating mga bisita na gustong magpa-picture sa ating mga animal ambassadors, lalo na dito sa ating state, just form a straight line lang po tayo dito sa center, lapitan lang po natin si